Sanibonani, igama lami nguNoluthando Wakazungu, ngisuka eMandla Nkosi Farms. Amandla Nkosi Farms ibhizinisi elike-agriculture. Siyatshala, sifuyile iy'nkukhu zenyama kanye ney'nkukhu zamaqanda. Ngaqala ngenkukhu ngezathu zokuthi iyona cheapest source of protein, noma ungasebenzi no-holy grant engayi-afford, ngoba amaqanda ethu asuka nje ku-R2 kuphela. Ngakhula-ke kanjalo-ke ngaze ngangena nasey'tshalweni. Ngiqale ngo-2020 nge-COVID, ngizama-ke nje ukukhulisa iy'nkukhu nje eziwu-100, zaphila ngomusa kaNkulunkulu. Bese ngo-2021, 2022 ngajoyina i-business incubator, ekuyiyona-ke eyathi yangithatha yangisa e-Cedar College of Agriculture ukuthi ngiyofunda kabanzi ngokufuywa kwey'nkukhu nokuba nje umlimi. Kwase kulekelelana-ke nalokho engakufunda esikoleni, ngoba mina esikoleni ngenza i-BCom accounting. Kwahlangana-ke ngaba usomabhizinisi kanjalo, from ukukhulisa iy'nkukhu nje eziwu-100 kuya ku-400, siyagcina sesikhulisa iy'nkukhu ngama-1,000. Inkukhu i-broiler inkukhu yenyama sithenga ichwane ina-day old, siyikhulise for 42 days. Emva kwa-42 days isiyilungele ukuthi ingadliwa abantu. Sidayisela-ke umphakathi namachisanyama, siphinde sidayisele namabhosha. Inkukhu yeqanda yona siyithenga uma esina-18 weeks, isikulungele ukukhiqiza iqanda. Siyifide lawo maviki amabili, mase iyaqala-ke yakhiqiza amaqanda nsuku zonke. La sikhona nje eNyandezulu sigcina khona iy'nkukhu zenyama kuphela. Uma ufisa ihlale ndawonye kumele ube nomhlaba omkhulu kakhulu ukwazi ukuyiqhelelanisa. Suke senzela ukuvikela izifo, phecelezi bathi biosecurity. Iy'nkukhu-ke lezi kulamthuthu-ke zithola kalula izifo, zigula. So sizama ngawo konke okusemandleni ethu ukuthi sibavikele, ngoba ngisho nami nje uqobo angibona nje amachwane uma ngihamba iy'ndawo ezahlukene angini ewokweni. Umuntu ogulayo uphethe umkhuhlane akangeni ewokweni, ucustomer elizothenga ngene abasebenzi kuphela. So nje siyazama ukuvikela ukuthi iy'nkukhu zikhuliseke ngendlela ekahle. Amandla Nkosi Farms usey'ndaweni zasemakhaya, ufike nje athole indawo enze i-project lapho. Ngaqala ikhaya eBethani bese ngakhulela la, bese-ke sahamba sayocela futhi umhlaba kumkhulu wakaMadlala nakumkhulu wakaXolo, kanjalo nje ukwandisa ama-project e-farming. Senza iy'nto ezahlukahlukene-ke kwama-project ethu. La sikhona manje senza iy'nkukhu zenyama, kwenye indawo senza amaqanda, kwenye indawo sifokhasa ekutshaleni kuphela. Sihlela-ke nanokuzama into ye-aquaponics kanye nabanye ozakwethu bebe-farming. Kunzima-ke khona-ke angifuni ukungasho. Ungibona nje, I think izolo ngivuye ngo-4 ngalala ngo-3, njengoba sekumele ngivuye phinde ngize la kade nala silungiselela amachwane azayo. Kodwa-ke kungisiza kakhulu ukuthi ngine-team. I-project indawo nendawo la i-project ikhona, kukhona abantu abangilekelelayo. I-site ne-site futhi no-farm manager. La sikhona manje ukhona uLebo wenza sure ukuthi yonke into ihamba ngendlela. Futhi bonke abantu abasebenza e-Amandla Nkosi Farms, iningi labo benza i-farm management. So kuyangisiza kakhulu, bayangikhulula futhi ey'ntweni ey'ningi. Kuyabiza ukukhulisa inkukhu. Approximately nje ukufida iy'nkukhu eziwu-2,000, it's over 50,000 rands. And mase uzofika emakethe i-price ingasayenzi sense kuba nzima kuthina. Kodwa-ke sibonge-ke ukuthi amathuba abantu abanjengo-Spar, ama-caterers anjengo-Halalisa amakhulu, ojenti nabo bayafika bezothenga kuthina ngezathu zokusaphotha omunye usomabhizinisi omnyama. Bangalwi-ke nane-price, bathathe nje lesho wena njengomlimi. happening here ukuthi balungisela i-brooding. I-brooding ela khona amachwane azofika wonke la. Silindele amachwane awu-2000 bazokwehlisa ke la ama-light bafake ama-infrared light, bafake wood shavings ukuze mayifika azofika ahlale la for 2 weeks. So la into eyenzakalayo ukuthi njengoba kuza amachwane izitsha zethu kumele zihlale ziwashiwe, siphinde futhi si-disinfect sibeke kanje elangeni. Sothi mase kufika ke kuzofakwa amanzi la ane-stress pack ngoba inkukhu mayisafika the first week siyabanikeza i-stress pack kanye nokudla badlela kulezi zitsha ke masabancane ngoba base bengakakwazi ukudlela kulezi ezinkulu. Igama lami nguNoluthando Wakazungu, ngingumlimi. Soza kwethu abahlangana kwi-business incubator lekhona la eSayid. Sahlangana njengabalimi silekelelwa u-agriculture kanye nedwala. I think our biggest sponsor. Basihlanganisa basibuza ukuthi yini esingayenzi already emaplazini ethu. Kwaba khona uza kwethu oba nombono we-aquaponics. Sabe sesihamba ke siyofunda ePitoli ukuthi kukhuliswa kanjani ke zona izitshalo emanzini nasematsheni ngokusizwa umanyolo wofish. Safunda lapho saphinde saya komunye uzakwethu oseyenza ke lento ose-Richards Bay, wasifundisa kabanzi sabona ukuthi ingenzeka. Sabe sesicela ke umhlaba enkosini kaXolo. I think we have about approximately 40 hectares of land ukuthi siqale ke le project yethu. Senza ke i-research ngokusizwa futhi i-business incubator. Salenza ucwaningo lonke sabona ukuthi no it's feasible ingenzeka lento khona la eSouth Coast. Sisemalungiselelweni ke ukuthi iqale iproject. Iproject nje izotshala njengoba kutshalwa nje indawo kodwa umehluko ukuthi sizobe sitshala kwama-tunnel, sitshala emanzini. Kuthiwa ke lapha kwi-aquaponics ukutshala emanzini kudinga umhlaba omncane compared to ukutshala emhlabathini. So nathi sibe explore ke lezo zinto and kuyashesha ke futhi ukufunda kwethu konke sitshengisa ukuthi kuzoshesha ama-leafy greens akhule emanzini on the system compared to on the ground. Ubunzima ke buzoba khona ngoba bonke labo somabhizinisi engisebenzisana nabo abalimi abayimele emaplazini abo. So kuhlangane abalimi benza elinye ibhizinisi ndawonye. Kuzoba khona ke ama complications ukuthi ke kodwa ke okuhle ukuthi ke sonke sabantu abayimiselayo nabakwazi ukulalela omunye umuntu. Siyathemba futhi ukuthi siyohlezi sikwazi ukusebenzisana. Kodwa ke ikhona ke imigomo nemibandela ke conductor noma regulator i-co-op yethu. Amandla Nkosi Farms sinabasebenzi abawu-14 aba-permanent bese kuba khona ama-seasonal workers ke ngoDisemba kucuthwe kakhulu so sike si-add approximately 20 people kuye depende ngomthamo esukhulisile ngaleso sikhathi. Sidinga infrastructure ngoba sesibonile ukuthi bakhona abantu idemand ikhona futhi inkulu yenkukhu. Kanti nabantu abafisayo ukusebenza bakhona. So into esidinga kakhulu ingqalasizinda ukuthi sibe namanye amahhoko sokwazi ukuhouse izinkukhu eziningi. Sidinge futhi ne-working capital ukuthi sizokwazi ukulirana kahle smoothly ngaphandle kophicihicwa business. Umbuzo ojwayelekile abantu abajwayele ukungibuza wona oqala lo ukuthi khona imali ka-farming like farming is a sector. Angazi ukuthi futhi ngawuphendula kanjani but ake ngithi kanje isiqashile thina Mina nje I am fully employed by Amandla Nkosi Farms, and bakhona nabanye ozakwethu abasebenza ngaphansi Amandla Nkosi Farms. So siyakwazi ukuthi ngaleli business siqalile ukwazi ukuthenga isinkwa ekhaya abantu balale bedlile. So ngingawuphendula nje kanjalo ukuthi uma umlimi guaranteed uzolala udlile. Another frequently asked question ile yokuthi inkukhu zithula Amandla Nkosi ijwayele ukuthi zibe enkulu kakhulu nje zikhuluphele zibe zinhle. So abantu bacabanga ukuthi sayijova ngale mgomo le ibrahim zikhukhumala, kanti lutho cha, thina nje senza free range chickens, free from hormones, free from zonke lezi zinto ezenziwayo ukuthi inkukhu isheshe ikhuluphala. Into esenza nje siyaqikelela ukuthi ke le mgomo yokuvikela izifo siyabagoma ngesikhathi, bayadla futhi ngendlela, ukudla ngokulimele kuhlezi kukhona, namanzi okuphuza. Nabantu ababanakekelayo abanakekela izinkukhu kumele kunomthetho nje la Amandla Nkosi Farms ukuthi umuntu akadle inkukhu engakadli. So sinakekela kale ndlela. Isayidi incubator umgogodla kutheni ibackbone alingelanga ikhona nokuthi nje endleleni ngisahamba ngenxa yabo, ngoba bayasibamba ngesandla njengosomabhizinisi, bayasitotobisa njengomphathi wethu uJobina nje uyasiqoqozela ngokuthi sifunde, ngokuthi futhi mase wena kufundile wakhulu uphinde umentorishe abanye. Into enhle nje kakhulu uhlangana ne-community, abanye osomabhizinisi, ni-share ama-struggles enu, nibonisane ukuze sonke siye phambili. Yeah, it's a very beautiful program and it's a very beautiful space ukuthi somabhizinisi abe khona, abe ingxenye yaso mayifuna futhi ukukhula. Cala ngilandele on TikTok, guys. I'm new on TikTok. Please follow me on TikTok for farming inspiration. Uthando Zungu. Also on Instagram, I think I'm Uthando Zungu, and on Facebook, Uthando Buthelezi Zungu. Number yami yocingo 060 83 89 750. Uma ufisa uku-order inkukhu noma amaqanda or cash crops.
Molweni, igama lami nginguNcebakazi Phephetha and ngihlala apha ePort Edward. uNcebakazi ukhulele eLdeke eBizana. I wanted to get into business after ndisesikolweni, and I realized the level of unemployment, and I thought to myself, what can I do to solve it? So I thought opening a business would be an opportunity for me to make a difference, because ndifunde economics esikolweni. So as an economist, one of my responsibilities is to create jobs. So that's why I'm doing a business. The business is Fem Crown Inc. I started in 2019 originally, but yakhula ke gradually. Saqala kancinci, sihlamba nje ama-wigs for abantu. From moving there, we did makeup, and then in 2022 savula space. Everything that I do is self-taught. I was not even interested in university about beauty, but I just thought that it's an industry that is not too difficult to get into, and because God has blessed me with the ability to know how to do things. I'm very creative with my hands and with my mind, so that's why I decided about it. Luckily for me, my mother was very supportive. I think because after undergraduate, we were from savings, was here and there, but the difficulties of manum savings are corner. But then because I think I think that's what I can say. Yeah, one temper, one supporter throughout. There was never like a struggle for her to accept. So FM Crown is divided into a service-based and product-based. So we have a salon side where we do makeup, where we do hair, where we do nails as well, and then we do lashes, eyebrow waxing. We planning to get into facials as well. And then we have another side where we sell products, because where we do certain bonnets, pillowcases, books as well. Okay, for a salon, go January and February, because it's Valentine's Day. There are more people who are interested in how they look, and then June mali. So okay, but as active to come do their hair, and then December season is a great season for our industry as well. But for the products on a constant, because we're not only serving our local, but people from Limpopo, like everywhere, Johannesburg, Cape Town, like everyone from South Africa basically. So that supports the business, because the needs are leveled. When this one is low, Lena iyaqhubeka. So certain bonnets izinto zinxiba xa ulala, abantu bekunxiba amaqasi xa belala. Into ekunxiba xa ulala is very good for your hair. It helps our clients, hairstyles about they last longer, they make their hair retain oily, dry, and dry. So even for skin, pillowcases, they're good for your skin. Pillowcases, so yeah. So in makeup, because people they are coming from afar, so sometimes they require us to go to them, which is something we do as well, especially even for weddings, for imicimbi, we go to them. 6, you have to be there for 12 because you have your bridesmaids and all that. So we are able to go. We go at that time. People confuse business as into a money fast. And I like to correct that business is like a baby. You grow it, you feed it for it to grow, and then in the long run, you benefit from it after you could see when as an individual. So the idea that when you get into business, tomorrow you are rich, today you are rich, is a lie that I would want everyone to remove in their minds, because really, I don't have a child, but this is my child. So I feed my child, I grow my child. The salon is now 3 years old, but the brand is 5 years old. So eventually, just feed your baby. Because I had the zeal, but okay, I'm gonna create jobs for people. People must come, and I'm gonna teach them, I'm gonna transfer the skills I have to them. But how people receive you, especially if you are young and tiny, how they view you as a business owner, sometimes it has issues about they feel like, okay, because if beauty business is not a business that is difficult to get into, they feel like, okay, now I can also do it. So someone comes to you, you employ them, you give them the skill, you teach them about the business, and then they say, okay, thank you very much, next week. And you hear about, okay, now I can say somewhere else has started their own thing, which is good, but you can't have a team for a long time. And also my goal is to create a business. I know that Salon has not been seen as a business for a long time. I have systems in place. I have finances, I have marketing, I plan my things, and also my space is different, and even the mannerism in my space, it's a safe space, a calm space. It's for abantu who really want to relax and calm down. Even the music we play, even the team, how we are, people take whatever we are, and then they figure out. So asiseli apha, asibhemi apha, there's no noise. It's just an escape for women, a time for you to relax, and enjoy being pampered, so that you can be empowered to go and then fight your battles outside. Future plans, academy, also just having a shop, First, the most important I think for me is the academy, because I've learned in the years of business that okay, things won't go according to what I thought they would be. So now things have changed, the plan has changed, but it's still the same, which is creating jobs. So for me, I thought, okay, let me start an academy where I will be teaching people. Abani, they will need a space for training. So I can use my salon for people to come and train and gain experience, and then they're able to go start their own things outside. So that is my different direction that I've taken after I've seen my employment, not actually what I thought it's going to be like. But now I thought, okay, I think an academy where, because I'm qualified, difundile about business studies in university, about economics. I know how to run a business. I have a successful business, so I can now be able to transfer all that information and skills to other people through an academy. Not necessarily employing them to come work for me, but empowering them to go start their own things and be self-employed. Okay, so we have Instagram at FemCrown, at Instagram, and I say on Facebook is FemCrown as well. FemCrown Inc. Facebook, TikTok, FemCrown as well. The WhatsApp number, business is 067 811 9855. I'm definitely the next billionaire. With the mind I have, with the vision I have, I'm definitely the next billionaire.